Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add game time tickets to Google Wallet. Now, keep in mind that not all game time tickets support Google Wallet. Now, the option depends on how your tickets were delivered and whether the ticket issuer supports Google Wallet. So if the option is available, you'll see an Add to Google Wallet button with your ticket. So here's how that works. The first thing you do is to buy your event ticket through the Game Time website or app. And once your order is confirmed, wait until your tickets have been delivered. Depending on the event, delivery may be immediate or closer to the event date. Now, after receiving your ticket, just open the Game Time app or open the ticket link that's sent to your email if your tickets were delivered through secure wallet link. Now, from the mobile browser, I can just go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on My Tickets for you to see all the tickets. So right in this window, you're going to see upcoming and past tickets. Just locate the tickets for which you want to add to Google Wallet. Now, if you see the button to add to Google Wallet, then it means the mobile browser supports it. But if you do not see it, then it is strictly for the Game Time mobile app, which is only available in 3 countries. All right. So if you don't see it here, then it means you have to download the app. In the mobile app, once you click on tickets and it takes you to where your tickets are, find the ticket, and right next to the ticket you see Add to Google Wallet button if it's eligible. So tap Add to Google Wallet to continue. If you don't see this option, it usually means your ticket issuer doesn't support Google Wallet for that event, or the ticket was delivered using a different method. Now, Google Wallets will open automatically. So review the event details, then tap Add or Save to store the tickets in your Google Wallet. If you don't already have the Google Wallet app installed, you'll be prompted to download it first. So open the Google Wallet app, and then your event ticket should now appear in your list of saved passes. Now, tap the ticket to confirm that the event information and barcode or QR code are displayed correctly. When you arrive at the venue, unlock your Android phone or iPhone, open the Google Wallet. If your ticket doesn't appear automatically, select your event ticket and either hold the back of your phone near the ticket reader if supported, or present the barcode or QR code for scanning. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.